long-time confidant. You've worked with the man, Jimmy Cliff, Mr. Bradshaw. What's it like? What feeling do you have knowing that you're here celebrating his life?
The thing is, Jimmy represents what is called the beginning of the true Jamaican culture. And that's all because of a project called The Other Day Come. Because what that movie did was give us the avenue to really promote the culture that's the beginning. And Jimmy Cliff was a legend, or a genius. He made his first record when he was 40. And when we got invited to the part of the Other Day Come, none of us had any, what do you call it, screen acting
Experience.
but Jimmy did a wonderful job. And as for me, my part was a very white part, but it became a major part. So Other Day Come is the project that really gave us that foot start and took the Jamaican culture to the world.
How would you describe? Because you spent a lot of time with him. You were very close to him. How would you describe him as a human being, an individual? What was he like?
Jimmy is special. What Jimmy had was what few people have. He had a great voice. He could sing. And because of that, it kept him happy. And he grew with a family that was very, what is called, not over friendly, but positive. And so he had that discipline. You know what I'm saying? And he was a man that would walk away from trouble when he can.
Okay.
Something.
Okay, soft-spoken. And what do you say to Jamaicans, as they now miss a legend? What do you say to Jamaicans as you hope that they'll carry on his legacy?
Let it soul rest in peace, and he kind of live in our memory, and it is on track, and it is visual as far as over the thank you, sir.